So this is a video I totally would not have thought to make on my own because I take changing the furnace filter for granted. Right, Sydney? So anyway, a friend of mine was having a little bit of dinner or whatever with him and his wife, and she was talking to me about some guy who, she was like saying something about, oh, furnace filter hasn't been changed in 2 years. I mean, it's got to be changed. And the guy was like, oh, well, you got to do blah, blah, this and blah, blah, that. And it's like, and of course her husband was like, that's crazy. So it's super simple. This is, of course, a forced hot air system. It says filter. Oh, I got this in good last time. Come on, baby. Oh, I don't want to get a tool. You got a key on me? Oh, yes. Oh, there she is. Oh, yeah, this is due. Oh, I know it. So, of course, I knew my size. What is it, like 16 by 25, 16 by 20. They're very typically common sizes. Different MERV ratings, which are a different particulate. These ones are probably like around 13 or so. 11 or 13. MERV 11. I'll tell you what the airflow, which way is airflow? There, so obviously the airflow is going. This is the return. And that's it. The hardest part is getting this end cap back on, but I'll fiddle with that in a second. Now go change your furnace filters.